Hello, my name is Chris, and this is my submission for Strata in London. I work for SMG, and we're a customer experience measurement provider for over 300 brands that we collect and provide insights across 150 countries, 250,000 locations, 300 brands worldwide. And we focus on driving customer loyalty through the insights and analytics that we provide to increase our customers' revenue. We're primarily in the restaurant, retail, and service industries, and we believe that our approach also has some carryover into the financial technology space, specifically around the service provider model and the analytics space when it comes to looking at analytical technology like Hive LLAP. Our case study is really around going in the desire to scale big data technology at a lower cost of scale. So we were previously on Teradata, which is very expensive to scale, requires a lot of cash outlay and investment. So we said, hey, is there something else out there that we can use? And so we considered Hive LLAP when it went into tech preview. We were able to prove that we could scale our business on Hive LLAP at about 2x the capacity of Teradata for about a fraction of the cost. In addition, we were able to add some cloud support as well as some DR capabilities. In terms of our use case, we are a little bit unique in terms of we provide a lot of ad hoc custom BI type analytical queries. And so it's not a traditional BI use case. They're complex queries that we're providing for users. We have over 2,000 active users, store unit level managers, and their superiors, such as a district manager or a company level user, a power user that wants to go in and look at these insights. And so we are providing currently at about 90 concurrent queries per second at sub-second response time. So these users are going in and doing ad hoc things and bringing back results in sub-second. We are also a nice success story of a medium-sized company, about 70 million in revenue, that's embracing big data technology and winning at that technology. And so I think there are companies out there that can relate to that as well. In terms of who to target in the audience for this presentation, I see two personas. I see a technology executive who's wondering, what is the approach for an analytical platform and how could we make that work for us? Could be Hive LLAP, especially if it's Hive LLAP, but it could be any big data technology in terms of what's the plan, what's the ROI, what are the pitfalls around the way, what are the things to look out for, what are our learnings and our experience of transition, and how do we manage our partners along the way. Then the other folks to target would be the data architects, the data engineers, the data engineering managers who want to look at Hive LLAP specifically. We like to share our architecture. We like to share how we push the boundaries of the Hive LLAP platform beyond what it was initially kind of put out to do, but able to do. And then how we resolved working with our technology partner Cloudera along the way when the technology didn't perform and do what it was supposed to do. And so how do we engage with them and make that a win-win situation? Things to look out for, things to work on, how to set and manage those expectations, and just to share bumps and bruises and learnings along the way for the industry. So we're happy to do that. We also have some support from Cloudera engineering team, and they're willing to support us, specifically Gunther Hallleiter, who is willing to provide some Cloudera support in terms of either supporting the project or even doing some co-presenting with Cloudera on how Hive LLAP works and how to use that in their use case. Thank you for your consideration. If you have any questions, reach out to me and let me know.